Hello guys, good morning. I'm Rinske Douna and I'm heading to the studio right now. I need to make a lot of videos for you because I'm gonna go on holiday whole September with Wouter. We're gonna do a road trip through Europe and I wanna publish some videos so you guys don't miss me. Will you miss me? I don't know. But yeah, so I was searching for some inspiration, and when I was watching Molly's artistry, and she's also a good friend of mine, and she makes those beautiful ocean waves, but also sort of rainbow waves. And so I thought I'm gonna do a split color in a sort of ocean wave shape. That's gonna be interesting. But besides Molly, I watch a lot of other YouTubers, of course, and one of them is Jessa. And Jessa is a big YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys know him, but probably you do. And he does a lot of creative challenges. I think his origin was illustrationist and drawing and stuff like that, but now he does so many challenges. He even did fluid art last week and some resin. I think it was his first try. It was super fun to look. But yeah, I'm following classes on Skillshare, and Skillshare is a platform, a website, and you have a lot of classes on there for creatives by creatives. And Jessa has as well classes there, and one of them is mastering illustration. Well, I'm a graphic designer normally for my day job, and so that's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna follow his class in my holiday. And yeah, if you guys want to branch out as well and see more of the creative world and things you want to learn, then check out Skillshare. I have a link in the description, and the first 1,000 people who sign up there are getting 2 months premium access, and you can follow any class you want. And after that, it's just $10 a month. So yeah, check it out, and I'm gonna go and make this ocean wave split. Alright guys, so here we go, and I'm using a canvas that I used already. But since I have a feeling this is gonna be a hard one, I'm trying it out first here. Let me start pouring the black. I think like that. Okay. So I will keep some over to let it flow. So let's blow this out first. Alright, so let's go with white. Okay. So far I nailed it. The split color is exactly how I wanted it. So that's good. Just bring the white up a little closer. Okay. So I really hope this works. I got here beautiful blue. Okay, so let's start with that color. Like that. Then let's go with the silver. Okay, and I also have this light blue that I used in my last triptych. It turned out beautiful with this color combination. So yeah, let's try that. Then gold. And bronze. But not too much. Alright, so far so good. It's always a surprise, you know, it's such a surprise effect with acrylic pouring. Something that I really like about it. Okay, and then I will pour here some black to let it flow. And I think this time I won't blow the color over, because I have not so much here and I think it will work great, but I will start blowing from here so I will see it right away. Also, how am I gonna blow this? Like, I don't know yet. Okay, so I will start here going that way. Well, that does look beautiful, doesn't it? You know, that lacing here, guys. Ooh. Okay, yeah, it is kind of messy or something. It just looks a little bit messy to me. Let me turn this a bit. Okay, yeah, this is not my favorite, but it definitely has something. So I will bring you up for a close-up and you can see for yourself and let me know. Okay, so here's my version of the ocean wave. I don't know, do we see an ocean wave? Not really, so I wanted to show you this part. It's insane, that lacing, right? That's because I mixed the black with the Payne's Gray, and the Payne's Gray always gives this amazing cells. Yeah, overall it's nice. It's nice. Not my favorite, but yeah, I'm very happy I did this. And it's the first time I used that blue. So yeah, gonna see how that dries. You know, here it almost looks like a sort of green, and I guess that's with the blue and the gold, so that's nice. Yeah, a lot of details, and the piece is kind of big as well. It's 60 by 60 centimeters. So what is that, 24 by 24 inches? Yeah. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear your opinion of this, of course, and can't wait to see your comments. See you next time.